This is the unboxing of Elgato Facecam Premium Full HD. This webcam has prime lens, advanced image engine, a state-of-the-art Sony sensor with powerful low light performance, true HD at 60 fps, which HDR, raw video, zero compression, low latency, maximum image quality, flash memory. It works with Zoom, Teams, OBS, Slack, FaceTime, and Google Meet. So yeah, let's have a look. This is my new camera. Let's open it. Classic Elgato packaging. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Comes with instructions, a quick start guide, you know, the usual, how to install it, install the application, how you can put it in a mount system. Excellent. USB-C to USB. How to clean it. It works with all these technologies. Supported resolution. SDR, HDR. 60-30 per second, p per second. Different resolutions, recommended to USB 3 or better, Type C, and the usual stuff, you know, nothing too fancy. Saying in English, oh, it's the same thing actually, exactly the same thing as technical specification. So the camera comes with a little instructions, nothing too fancy, nobody cares, nobody wants to read those. I noticed that the cable of Elgato are quite thick. I guess the quality is superb, which is very nice. Let's have a look at the camera. Yeah, nicely packaged with a sticker. Okay, you know, it comes into space. The USB-C, I can see that it's much easier to just close it, because I have here the old version that comes with this lid that you have to be careful not to lose it. When I compare the both versions, I can tell a difference in size. So, you know, both closed. You can tell. Look at the size. Wow, it's much different. Although the resolution appears to be the same. So yeah, but there you go. Both sides. One much smaller, the new one on the old version. So yeah, very cool. Let's put it to the test. Comes with a mount. Oh. Yeah, and ready to be installed actually. This will go actually it's the other way around. I don't know why. Is it? No, that was okay actually. So yeah, ready to be installed. And ready to go, as simple as that. Let's have a look and just check if the cable has any differences. Yeah, slightly different. So yeah, let's install the new one. The new cable, and goes into my computer. So thank you very much for your time.
It's been an interesting unboxing. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.